Welcome back to the channel. In this video, explain Family360 app review to see bit what you're using. So let's get started with the hink app review about Family360. So to get started, Family360 is a location sharing app that allows users to track family members in real time, set a geofencing alert, and view travel history together with monitoring of battery levels. It offers a clean interface and a privacy-conscious design, claiming not to sell users' data. The free version includes most essential features, while premium unlock extra like unlimited location history and additional zones. However, users have reported delayed or frozen location update, frequent crashes, and poor customer support. Subscription auto-renewals have also caused billing compliance. And here's the overall conclusion about this platform. So the app simply worth it for families needing a basic tracking and alert at no cost, but not ideal if you want a stable performance and fast support or highly accurate live tracking. And that's it.